And one glorious day, our hero is born. Praise be to Bird God! Bird God! He was everything in the beginning, and he made the ultimate sacrifice. He let his energy loose for the entire universe. And for the entire universe unto him, he shared his power. Praise be to Bird God! Bird God! And the galaxies, the stars that were born in his image, all the power suckled from his tits was shared to us. And humanity was born.
Almost fell.
Humanity was born among the stars, all the galaxies, the people, the aliens, everything you see before you. We thank him, and we should thank him every day. But he doesn't ask for us. He doesn't ask much from us. All he asks for is that for every time it rains, remember his thoughts. Praise be to Bird God!
Bird God!
We live for him, and he made the ultimate sacrifice for us. And we should thank him every day in our hearts, in our minds.
Bird God.
Bird God. His sacrifice was not for free. He fought many a battle with his crown. But in the end, he turned out on top. And every time he was struck down, or his power was taken from him by force,
The laser really adds to it.
he lives for us. He has born us, and one day we will die for him. Let's hear it for Bird God. Bird God! Creator of the universe, creator of us, to the people, and everything. Let's hear it for Bird God!
Bird God!
Bird God!
Bird God!
Bird God!
Bird God!
Yeah! All right, now is the time, my people. Now is the time where we remind everyone of the one true God. There is one God, let me tell you, and he's Bird God. Let's remind the people. We're gonna Jehovah's Witness this shit. Let's hear it for Bird God!
Bird God!
You guys should walk into the church.